Where is this coming from? Why am I supposed to not fight for us? You're my everything, Ria. I'd do anything for
Oh
you.
God, not this again. I'm done with you, Arman.
Don't do this, Ria.
Why don't you get it? I'm done being nice now. I'm already with someone else, and there's nothing left between us.
You know what I've been through. Please don't make me go through this
Okay, are
again.
you delusional, Arman? Yeah, actually, you know what? Poor you, always the victim. Why do you think every girl leaves you, huh? If you really think it was always their fault, then you're just simply crazy.
Please don't say that. Don't say something you won't be able to take back. I love you. I love you more than anything, and this is what I get.
Yeah, Arman, I just can't deal with you and your insecurities anymore. It's not my bloody problem.
Ria, please.
No, I don't care anymore. Feed that into your head. You really need to take a hard look at yourself. You complain about your shitty past to me as if I am supposed to feel sorry for you. Why will anyone want to be with you? Why would anyone want to love you, Arman? No girl will stick around once they see what you truly like.
Stop, Ria. Not any of those things you're saying. Stop making me feel like I'm crazy. I gave you my all. I did everything I possibly could, but obviously it wasn't enough. I'll do what I have to. I won't be a burden anymore, I promise. You can still take this back, Ria.
But the crap.
Just don't leave me. Please. I don't know if I can be alone again.
Hey, Arman, hear me out. I slept with him. In fact, he's not even the only one. How's that for love now? Actually, you know what? There wasn't any love to begin with. It was just you suffocating me all the fucking time with your insecurities. And now I just don't care. I am over it and I'm over you. There's nothing here. But tell me, why will any decent girl want to be with a man like you? Have you seen yourself? You're just too broken. Being with you was the biggest mistake of my life. Nobody wants a fucked up loser.
I love. Never thought I'd be writing you this letter. Our story shouldn't have ended this way. I miss you already. I wish things were different. After all those fuck all past relationships, I thought I finally found someone who I could completely trust. But clearly, my love blinded me. Once again. What a fucking idiot. I truly loved you, Ria. Would have done anything for you. Anything. But you chose this. You did this. I wish things were different. I wish you were actually who you said you were, but you turned out to be just like the others. Nothing but cold, manipulative, and disloyal, selfish cunts. All your fake promises? What are they worth now, huh? Mom always said no decent girl would ever want to be with me. guess the role pitch was right after all.